Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel USA Immigration and Visa. Today we are going to discuss an important topic that is in mind of every international student that is studying in USA. What is the difference between OPT and CPT? Let's start the video. Navigating the US education system as an international student can feel like trying to decode a complex puzzle. Among the many pieces, two crucial terms you'll often come across are OPT and CPT. If you're aiming to gain practical experience while studying or after graduation, understanding these options is key. What is CPT? Curricular Practical Training, CPT, is an option for international students on F-1 visas to gain practical experience while they're still studying. It's designed to complement your academic curriculum and must be directly related to your major field of study. Here's what you need to know. 1. Eligibility. To qualify for CPT, you need to have completed at least one academic year at a U.S. institution, unless you're in a graduate program that requires immediate CPT. Your job or internship must be an integral part of your curriculum. Essentially, it should be something that enhances your academic learning. 2. Application process. Before you start working, you must get approval from your designated school official, DSO, and have the CPT noted in your I-20 form. This process generally involves providing details about the job and how it relates to your studies. 3. Types of CPT. CPT can be full-time or part-time. Full-time CPT is defined as working more than 20 hours per week, while part-time CPT is 20 hours or fewer. If you engage in full-time CPT for 12 months or more, you might become ineligible for Optional Practical Training, OPT, later on. What is OPT? Optional Practical Training, OPT, is a bit different from CPT. It's designed for students who want to work in their field of study after they graduate. Here's a closer look. 1. Eligibility. OPT is available to students who have completed at least one academic year at a U.S. institution. You can apply for OPT before you graduate, but you'll need to use it within 14 months of completing your program. There are two types of OPT, pre-completion, before you graduate, and post-completion, after you graduate. 2. Duration. Typically, OPT allows for up to 12 months of work authorization. However, if you're in a STEM field, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, you may be eligible for a 24-month extension, making a total of 36 months. 3. Application process. Applying for OPT involves submitting Form I-765 to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, along with other required documentation. It's important to apply early as processing times can vary. You also need to get recommendations from your DSO. 4. Employment restrictions. While on OPT, your job must be directly related to your field of study, and you need to report any employment details to your DSO. It's also essential to maintain proper documentation to avoid any issues with your visa status. Key differences between CPT and OPT. 1. Timing and purpose. CPT is intended for practical training during the academic program, while OPT can be utilized before and after graduation. 2. Duration and impact on future employment. CPT can be full-time or part-time, but 12 months of full-time CPT eliminates OPT eligibility. OPT, on the other hand, offers up to 36 months of work authorization for STEM graduates without impacting future work visas. 3. Application process. CPT requires institutional approval and a direct tie to the curriculum. OPT requires USCIS approval and is more flexible regarding the timing and type of employment. That's all in this video. Hope the video is helpful for international students studying in USA. Thanks for watching.